SCON Design India Pvt Ltd is a leading BIM company located in Marathahalli, Bangalore. With a strong focus on providing innovative and efficient building information modeling (BIM) solutions, SCON Design has established itself as a trusted name in the industry. BIM has revolutionized the way construction projects are planned, designed, and executed, and SCON Design is at the forefront of this technological advancement. As a specialized BIM company, SCON Design offers a wide range of services to its clients, from 3D modeling and clash detection to construction documentation and virtual reality simulations. The company provides comprehensive BIM solutions that cater to the unique needs of each project. By leveraging the power of BIM, SCON Design ensures improved collaboration, reduced errors, increased efficiency, and enhanced project outcomes for its clients. What sets SCON Design apart from other BIM companies is its team of highly skilled professionals. The company boasts a team of experienced architects, engineers, and BIM specialists who are well-versed in the latest BIM software and technologies. This expertise allows them to deliver high-quality BIM models that accurately represent the physical and functional aspects of a building. SCON Design's team also excels in coordinating with other stakeholders in the construction process, ensuring seamless communication and collaboration throughout the project. SCON Design takes pride in its commitment to delivering projects on time and within budget. The company understands the importance of adhering to strict timelines and cost constraints while ensuring the highest quality standards. Whether it's 3D modeling, clash detection, construction documentation, or virtual reality simulations, SCON Design's team of professionals is well equipped to handle all aspects of BIM and deliver exceptional results. SCON Design India Pvt Ltd is a leading BIM company in Marathahalli, Bangalore. With years of experience and a team of highly skilled professionals, SCON Design has established itself as a trusted name in the field of building information modeling (BIM) services. The company offers a wide range of BIM services, including 3D modeling, clash detection, virtual walkthroughs, quantity takeoffs, and construction documentation, among others. SCON Design has worked on numerous projects across various sectors including residential, commercial, healthcare, and institutional. Their commitment to delivering high-quality BIM solutions has earned them a strong reputation in the industry. As a BIM company, SCON Design understands the importance of utilizing advanced technology and software to enhance the efficiency and accuracy of their services. They have invested in state-of-the-art software tools like Autodesk Revit, Navisworks, and AutoCAD, which enables them to create detailed and accurate BIM models. These models not only provide a visual representation of the building but also contain valuable data that can be used for analysis and decision-making during the entire lifecycle of the project. This approach ensures that clients receive comprehensive BIM solutions that meet their specific requirements.